I'm going to give you 5 underestimated things that you can do every day as a ritual that will help you connect with the Spirit in you. First of all, when you wake up in the morning, your mind is open and receptive. So make sure you have some kind of positive thought in your mind. Make it a habit. That's number 1. You know, maybe you talk to your higher power, you talk to God, you talk to Spirit, you say, hey, God, thank you for another day. I'm looking forward to what we do together today. Whatever positive you got. When you get out of bed, number 2, do something to get your energy going. Maybe you're walking in place. I'm awake and ready. I'm awake and ready. Or you do a yoga posture or 2. Do something to get your energy going. You'll feel better. And then number 3, when you go into the bathroom, after you do what you got to do, look in the mirror and smile at yourself. Smile at yourself. When you smile, you feel better. Hey, give yourself a smile. And it helps uplift your mind so that you can get that joy and those endorphins going. Number 4, take some time to pray and meditate. Start with a minute or 2. Get still and quiet and tune in to that Spirit that is inside of you. And number 5, take time to read something uplifting. Maybe it's a short daily word. Unity has a daily word, wonderful, uplifting. Or read from an inspirational book. Just read a little bit. Research done at the University of Connecticut says that people who have a morning ritual are happier and more fulfilled. Give these 5 underestimated practices a go in your life, or come up with ones that you find work for you, and you will have a more fulfilling and happier day.